Hi everyone, we are Dreammakers. Today we are going to talk about our second TDF project, Whisper of Wish. For the challenge level, we have different choices. Since Iris have experience in Adreno, she chose medium difficulty, Platypus, and Jeru is a complete novice, so I chose to challenge Axolotl. Next, I will briefly introduce our project. Whisper Wish is an interactive installation designed to allow viewers to experience the process of making a wish in the context of Eastern culture. We decomposed and reconstructed the traditional objects and steps to making a wish. For example, putting your hands together to hold the wishing paper will light up the lotus lantern, which symbolizes good luck, and throwing a coin triggers the sound of the wooden fish for blessing. We first made a rough prototype with sticky notes to determine the input and output, as well as the spatial settings of the installation. Then we connected the circuit according to these assumptions and tested the code and interactions one by one. Finally, we assembled all parts and changed the circuit according to the actual situation. We used two Fountain 2 modules in total. The first board has two LED, a pressure sensor, and an infrared distance sensor. The other board has a separate servo. The pressure sensor is hidden in a paper talisman and is used to light up the Lotus LED. The infrared sensor counts the number of coins the user throws in and controls the speed of the servo rotating the wooden stick to hit the wooden fish through the cloud. Throughout the process, we encountered some challenges. For example, the value of the pressure sensor was the opposite of what we expected. The greater the pressure, the smaller the value. Another example was that due to a complex circuit, data and voltage could not be transmitted normally, and we burned out three servos. We eventually overcome these difficulties by adjusting the circuit, adding registers, and changing the code. With interactive installations like Whisper of Wish, there's a shift in how cultural rituals are experienced. In the future, we expect to see how AI could analyze user behaviors, cultural nuances, and environmental data to offer real-time suggestions or modify experience to better align with individual users' cultural backgrounds. AI could also help preserve the cultural practices by learning and adapting them into new formats. In conclusion, this project gave us a great opportunity to try out Internet of Things technology and write code to upload, retrieve, and apply cloud data. In addition, this is also our first attempt in the field of interactive installation. We are very happy to bring the Oriental wishing culture to everyone.